Yo, what up? This is Matt here. I'm gonna do a little freestyle for all y'all out there. I'm gonna start the beat over again. Here we go. It's rat-tat-tat. I hope you like this. It's one of their beats. Here we go. Ready? Drop the beat, dog. Drop the beat. Yo, my name is Malik. You better watch me as I rap to this beat. I better stand on 2 feet on the other side of the room. You better get a this room, cause you know what? You better sweep this up, girl. Look a little bit to clean up. So here we go. Yo, Kobe Bryant versus Kevin Garnett. You better watch it tonight, cause there's gonna be a fight. Shit ain't gonna be right. Kobe Bryant gonna take a flight over Paul Pierce. You know that guy ain't no 15 to him. He ain't got no heart. He tryna rush the art, but you know what we got? You're no reason, cause you Trevor the reason gonna make it rain like a motherfucking geezer all over his ass. So you know what? Kobe Bryant gonna be sharp as glass. So here we go with this deep ass flow, cause you know you like it when I make the dough for all the motherfucking hoes. So here we go, I got keys from overseas, cause you know I'm making it rain, cause you know I'm making it rain like Saddam Hussein. So you know what, you know. Verse number 2, what you gonna do when I punch you in the face, cause you a disgrace, the air race. You know what I'm doing, cause you know I'm doing it well, cause I came from hell, motherfucking drunk me down the well, cause you know I'm doing it right for all ya looking on Facebook, looking at me. Man, I'm a G, what can I say, dog? I'm doing this shit all day, making you play with your mind, cause you making your head swirl. You don't understand how I'm doing it well, so well, cause you know I came from the west side, cause you know I like to ride all night long. You know when I'm doing it 230 pounds strong. So here we go, dog. 10 seconds left, what you gonna do? Give it to me, dog, give me the ball, and I'ma show you how to make a rainfall.